15 animals.
15 animals.
Can you please count till 15?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14.
13.
13,
14.
14,
Then 2 fishing.
16,
15.
17.
15 animals. Okay, so you know how to count. Very good. Let's count. 15 animals by Sandra Boynton. Yes.
Look at the picture.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Vicky, Papi.
Yes. Now let's read the book. Okay.
Look at the picture.
Virti hold the book. Okay. Okay. Virti, let Papa read. Okay. 1 minute. Look here, Papa. Let Papa read. Okay. I really like animals. I like them all. I like them a lot. 15 animals is all I have got. How many animals?
15 animals.
Yeah. I have got 15 animals. They are friendly and tame. And I have given each one a special name. So he has given a name to all the animals. Let's see what are the names. What is this, Virti?
Cat.
Huh?
Cat.
Cat. What sound does the cat make? I've got a cat named Bob. What is the name of this cat? Bob.
Bob.
And a dog named Bob.
Bob.
Okay. Virti, how many Bobs do you see?
1, 2.
Yeah, 2 Bobs. Very good. Okay. And I have 2 fish called Bob and Bob. And both of them have the same name. Example Bob and example Bob. Same name. Matching name.
4.
And there is a Bob by the name Hamster and Bob my horse. And what is this?
Pig.
Piglet. Yes, baby pig is piglet, but it's a pig, yes. And what is the name of the pig?
Cat.
No, name is Bob. Yeah. And then there is my rabbit Bob and his bunny wife Bob. How many Bobs there are?
2.
2 Bobs. Yes, 2 Bobs. And their kids are named Bob, Bob and
Bob.
Bob.
3 Bob.
3 Bob. Good job.
10 Bob.
And then there is the Bob, the... What is this?
Bob.
But who is this? What animal is this?
Then
Mouse.
mouse.
And then Bob the bird. And my turtle. And my turtle. What is the name of the turtle?
Cat.
No, it is Simon James Alexander Ragsdale the third. You thought it was Bob, but that's not the case. Alright, let's count all the animals again from the start, okay? Come on, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14,
13.
13, 14, 15,
How many animals?
15 animals.
Okay. And you know all the names, right? What was the name of the dog?
Bob.
Bob. Yes. What was the name of the mouse?
Bob.
What was the name of the cat?
Bob.
What was the name of the pig?
Bob.
What was the name of the hamster?
Bob.
What was the name of the horse?
Bob.
And what was the name of the papa?
Uncle.
Oh, you did not get tricked. Good job. Can you please say bye-bye?